So, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rose Sandeep Kalbhore, and I'm studying in class 11 from Acharya Academy, and I'm preparing for NEET exam. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I've become a teacher for a day, and I'm going to teach you all some basic concepts of trigonometry. So, can anybody tell me what is trigonometry?
The measurements of triangles.
Yes, absolutely correct. So, I'm sharing the screen.
Yes, yes.
So, trigonometry is a Greek word where trigonon means triangle and metron means measurement. It is usually used in a right angled triangle. Sir Hipparchus was the first person who framed the trigonometric periodic table, and he is also called the father of trigonometry for the same. So we have six functions of an angle commonly used in trigonometry. The first one is sine, then cosine, then it is tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And the abbreviations are written in front of them. Abbreviation is nothing but the short forms. Like for example, cosine साठी cos, tangent साठी tan, cosecant साठी cosec, secant साठी sec, आणि cotangent साठी cot हे abbreviation असतात. So value of sine A is opposite upon hypotenuse side. Cos A is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan A is opposite side upon adjacent side. Cosec A is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Sec A is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And cot A is adjacent side upon opposite side. So here is a small trick to learn these six functions of trigonometry. That is the word osha chota. तर तुम्हाला ओशा छोटा हा वर्ड लिहायचा आणि आफ्टर एव्हरी 3 अल्फाबेट्स पुट अ स्लॅश तर 3 लेटर्सचा एक ग्रुप फॉर्म होतो. तो फर्स्ट ग्रुप आहे OSH ज्याच्यामध्ये O स्टँड्स फॉर ऑपोजिट साइड आणि H स्टँड्स फॉर हायपोटेनियस. तर साइन A ची व्हॅल्यू येते ऑपोजिट अपॉन हायपोटेनियस. सिमिलरली सेकंड ग्रुपमध्ये ACH त्यामध्ये C स्टँड्स फॉर कॉस, A stands for adjacent side आणि H stands for hypotenuse. तर आपण cos A ची व्हॅल्यू याच्यावरून फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. That is A upon H or adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Similarly, OTA, आपला third group. So tan A ची व्हॅल्यू येते opposite side upon adjacent side. That is O stands for opposite and A stands for adjacent. So in this triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree and we have considered angle A for the trigonometric functions. So the value of sine A is opposite upon hypotenuse. So sine A ची opposite side BC आहे आणि BC ची value A आहे. So तिथे A लिहिलेलं आहे. Then in triangle ABC, the hypotenuse is AB आणि AB ची value C आहे. So the value of sine A is A upon C. नेक्स्ट cos A. cos A म्हणजे adjacent upon hypotenuse. तर cos A म्हणजे अँगल A चे दोन adjacent sides आहेत. That is AB आणि AC. पण आपण AB हे hypotenuse आहे म्हणून आपण ते कन्सिडर नाही करत. आपण फक्त AC अँगल A ची adjacent side म्हणून कन्सिडर करतो. म्हणून cos A ची व्हॅल्यू असते adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is B upon C. The value of tan A is opposite upon adjacent. So angle A ची opposite side BC आहे ज्याची value small a आहे आणि adjacent side B आहे. So the value of tan A is A upon B. So these are the reciprocal of the identities. We can write sine theta as 1 upon cosec theta, then cos theta as 1 upon sec theta. Tan theta can be written as 1 upon cot theta. Cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. And cot theta can be written as 1 upon tan theta. ज्याच्यामध्ये theta तो angle असतो. So here is a question for you all to solve. It is given that in triangle PQR, angle P is 90 degree PR is 6 centimeter, QP is 8 centimeter, and we have to find the ratios of all the 6 trigonometric functions. So can anybody tell me how we will find the third side if we are given two sides and it is a right angle triangle?
It will be 10 centimeters.
How can we find the side QR if we are given the two sides and it is a right angle triangle?
By Pythagorean theorem.
Yes, correct. So by Pythagoras theorem, the value of QR will be 10 centimeter. What will be the value of sine Q? If QR is 10 centimeter, then what will be the value of sine Q? Can anybody tell me? Okay, so sine Q is opposite upon hypotenuse. So the opposite side to angle Q is 6 centimeter and the hypotenuse will be 10 centimeter. So the value of sine Q will be 6 upon 10. I'll share you the solution. So here we have found the value of QR, side QR, by using the Pythagoras theorem, that is 10 centimeter. In this triangle, the value of sine Q is opposite upon hypotenuse. So the angle is Q. The opposite side to angle Q is side PR. The value of PR is 6 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. So the value of sine Q is opposite upon hypotenuse, that is 6 upon 10. The value of cos Q is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So the adjacent side to cos Q is PQ and QR. But as I have told you, we don't need to consider the hypotenuse over here. So the value of adjacent side is 8 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. So the value of cos Q will be 8 upon 10. Similarly, the value of tan Q is opposite. This is the opposite side. So 6 upon the adjacent side. Adjacent side is 8. So the value of tan Q will be 6 upon 8. As we have seen earlier, the value of sine Q is the reciprocal of cosec Q. So the value of sine is the reciprocal of cosec. So we can find the value of cosec by doing the reciprocal of sine Q. जर sin Q ची व्हॅल्यू 6 अपॉन 10 असेल तर कोसेक म्हणजे त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल असतो. सो तर कोसेक Q ची व्हॅल्यू काय येणार? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are audible. If they are
Sin
not
ची
responding, you can go ahead. If they are not responding.
Okay, ma'am. Sin ची व्हॅल्यू जर 6 अपॉन 10 असेल तर कोसेक ची व्हॅल्यू 6 अपॉन 10 चा रेसिप्रोकल आहे, that is 10 upon 6. The value of sec Q we can find that value by using the reciprocal identity. That is, the value of sec Q will be the reciprocal of cos Q, that is 10 upon 8. The value of cot Q can be found by using the reciprocal identity of tan. The value of cot Q will be the reciprocal of tan. That is, जर tan ची value 6 upon 8 असेल तर cot Q ची value tan चा reciprocal असेल, म्हणजेच 8 upon 6 असेल. I hope it is clear to everybody. So here is an important table for the values of trigonometric ratios. So most of them find this table difficult to learn, but it is quite easy to learn. The value of sine 0 degree is 0. The value of sine 30 is 1 upon 2. The value of sine 45 is root 2 upon 2, or we can write it as 1 upon root 2. The value of sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, and the value of sine 90 degree is 1. So even though you learn the values of sine from 0 degree to 90 degree, it is easy to make this table on your own. साइनचे व्हॅल्यूज 0 to 90 पर्यंत जे आहेत, कॉसचे व्हॅल्यूज त्याचे ऑपोजिट असतात. म्हणजे साइन 90 डिग्री 1 आहे, तर कॉस 0 डिग्री 1 असेल. साइन 60 डिग्री जर रूट 3 अपॉन 2 असेल, तर कॉस 30 डिग्री रूट 3 अपॉन 2 असणार. The value of sin 45 and cos 45 will be same. Similarly, sin 0 degree 0 आहे, तसंच cos 90 degree पण 0 असणार. And the value of sin 30 and the value of cos 60 is same. You just need to write the table in the reverse order. म्हणजे आपण sin लिहिताना 0 to 1 पासून जातो, तर आपल्याला cos लिहिताना 1 पासून 0 पर्यंत सेम व्हॅल्यूज फक्त उलटे लिहायचे असतात. And you can find the value of tan by the formula sin theta upon cos theta. तुम्ही जर sin theta upon cos theta चा रेशो काढला, तर त्याचे व्हॅल्यू येते tan theta. So here are three important Pythagorean identities, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x, and 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x, where x is the angle. आणि तुम्हाला अजून पण खूप सारे आयडेंटिटीज असणार, पण ते हायर क्लासेस मध्ये. For now, these are the important identities for you all. So thank you everybody for listening me patiently, and also thank you Acharya Academy for giving such a wonderful platform to express my teaching skills. Thank you everyone.